What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous French city or town located in the south of the Rhone Valley of France, near Chateauneuf du Pape. It's not that far from Nimes or Marseille. We are looking at how to pronounce this town that hosts a very popular theater festival that is fantastic. Over summer, I believe. This is the town or the city of Avignon, with the typical French pronunciation, Avignon. Avignon. Do not necessarily pronounce Avignon. Do not insist on the N so much, but rather Avignon, the town of Avignon in the south of France. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the biggest French cities, here are many more videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.